So after a long time later, we are coming countryside. You can see that we are just all gathering here, and we are just doing Jojobi mass. It's called like Bori Borta. We are coming our countryside after long time later, and we are planning to do something. You can see that there is a lot of young people. They all are together, and I'm enjoying right now. I'm just cleaning this plum. Plum means borai. I'm just cleaning these, and we are waiting for our match. Maybe after 2 or 3 minutes later, it will be fixed, and we will eat together. So sometimes whenever we are coming from city side, especially whenever we are living in city side, we never see these kind of activities. So especially when we are coming our countryside. Countryside means village. So when we are coming, we can do lots of different kind of things. So we need to do it. And sometimes that we need to do different kind of activities. Sometimes you can also see that there's a lots of people they don't know how to understand English, but they are making different kind of fun. Why? Because I'm the man who can speak in this place. And right now I'm just thinking that they can also speak some Bengali words in Bengali. So you can tell something in Bangla. Bangla?
বাংলায় নাকি যাই হোক
No, you don't need to tell anything. You can describe something about this matter, what we are doing right now. You can tell something.
ধন্যবাদ বাংলা বলার জন্য। যাই হোক আমরা অনেকদিন পর একত্রিত হইয়া একটা ছোটখাটো বড়ই ভর্তার আয়োজন করলাম। আশা করি শান্তিপূর্ণভাবেই বড়ই ভর্তাটা আমরা কমপ্লিট করব।
After finishing the match, complete করার পরে how we can eat this? আমরা কিভাবে খাবো
এটা তো
হাতে খাবো
না এটা এনজয় আমরা সবাই এনজয় করে এটা হালকা পাতলা ভাবে এনজয়ের মাধ্যমে এটা সম্পূর্ণটা মজা করে শেষ করবো আর কি।
So how much are you enjoying these kind of activities right now? কতটা তুমি এনজয় করতেছো?
হ্যাঁ এখানে তো আসলে এনজয় তো আমাদের যে ভরপুর এনজয় এই জায়গায় কোনো কমতি নেই।
What do you think about all the guys here? সবারই নিয়ে তোমার কি মতামত?
জি
Stop your mouth, man. We are talking, we are making videos, so you need to stop